Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to add Calendly to your Webflow site so visitors can book appointments without leaving the page. So first is to search Calendly on Google Chrome and click on the first link that pops up right here. Next is go to your Calendly dashboard, click on Share, choose Add to Website, and select the inline embed and copy the embed code. Next is to go to your Webflow project. So from here, open the Add panel and drag the embed element into the spot where you want Calendly to appear. But as you can see here, you can only access this feature with a paid Webflow account or active site plan. And after that, you will paste the Calendly code inside the embed box, click Save and Close, then preview your site. You'll now see your full Calendly form ready for visitors to book. And that's it! You've successfully added Calendly to your Webflow site fast and easy. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more.